In this video I'm going to show you how to download Mudborne Frog Management Sim on your PC. So for the first step we will need to open a Google search bar, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, go to the search bar, and now we need to locate the game on Steam first. Go to the Steam site, and after that you can just search for the game Mudborne Frog Management and do that in the search bar over here. As you can see, this is the game, so select it. Now we scroll a little bit down, and as you can see we have some options over here. There is a free demo available, so you can try out the game and see if it is something for you. And after that you can add it to your cart by clicking on this button, and once you have finished this payment of the game, then you are able to play, download and install this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!